Гламур, 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 мур, мур. Гламур, 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 мур. Кутюр, 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 чур, чур. Кутюр, 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 чур. Тусуются перцы и цацы, вьются вокруг них папарацци. Цацы в цацках, перцы на мерсах. Нравится им широко улыбаться зубами металлокерамики. Они не жуют тульские пряники. Стринги, блондинки на вечеринке. Тоньше...
Это торнадо дэй!
From the East Coast to the West Coast, gotta go. True sounds of a revolution, gotta go. Take a touch with you or me, gotta go. These sense of security, gotta go. Want to live my life for me, gotta go. Why can't they just let me be, gotta go. Say I'm crazy, just brain dead. Planting thoughts within my head. Can't believe what I've seen. What has become of me? What has become of me?
Everybody. Yeah. Brand new flavor by Method Man. Name of this shit right here is called DJ K Slay Driver King up in this motherfucker. Don't forget we heard this shit first.
Now.
Def Jam, Vendetta, 2003 shit. Come on.
Yeah, what up my people, weeple? This beat to cow the prequel. Shine up the Desert Eagle, light up that extra lethal. I mean that 3 years and 2 G's. I'm back with new trees. I rapped in loose leaves while y'all was just rapping. We get the set cracking, just like our neck snapping. Let's get this next platinum. What's happening, Def Jam? Remember Meth Man? I heard your hand